Hello, and today we're gonna do a different app, or maybe the same app we're playing, just like that. Talking husky dog. You see that talking baby logo? That's the developer, and that's the loading screen. So we got all the features. We have the frisbee, Apple Music, ball, and the sleep button. The living room has nothing. The kitchen, you have chili pepper. Why? Why he eats it? Why he eats it, but it's not even spicy. But it's kind of spicy. The bathroom. Are you kidding me? Why there's ads? That disgusting ads are on my screen. Why the ads are disgusting on the screen? Why? Why there's ads on the screen? That's disgusting. Okay. Bathroom. We have the soap. We have the shower head button. Maybe if you tap it, it will remove the soap like this. Why? When I scrub, if you tap, it will remove the bubble. That's disappointed. But the shower head pulls through. Why these two dogs are copying me? Dogs are copying me? Maybe you. Now you since use the toilet before nonsense people happened. Now you since use the toilet before nonsense. I didn't even use the toilet. Kidding? You're lying. You're using the toilet. Are you kidding? You're using the toilet. Me, I was just chilling. What? Stop mocking nonsense. Let's go. Stop. Okay, we have the chat button. We have pizza. What? Which ingredients? I don't know which ingredients even mean. You know, I don't know why there's things on the screen. English, Spanish, Korea. Nah. No. Okay. Level 9? This is level 9. We have all the way to 26, but no, there's more levels. Oh, the map button. I didn't know it. There's a map button. Playing in the scene. Dark plane. You see the lock screen. That's the name of the dogs. And yeah. That's impossible. This is hard. That map button is hard. And that's insane. I don't know what. Yeah, it is insane. Yeah, you forgot everything. The butthole. Your lesson is save. Oh, come on, leave through. That's not fair. That's not fair. Leave through the app. That's not fair. Games button break. More. Why? Cost 100 coins? You cannot even buy it. Two troublemakers. Oh, bed. Shop. Wait. Let me check. What video? We're not talking about revenge video. That's not what I call that. That's not what I call that. You're making influence. What is this on a notification? Okay, recording screen. Let's go back to the game. You heard that fart? That's insane. Whatever. Oh, so we got warm night light. Wait, that's the same thing, but green? That's not fair. Level 9. What is level 9? Level 9. Eat this ass. Yeah. Yeah. Kind of delicious. Kind of lucky delicious. You're making me get more. Are you kidding? It's not fair. You're making me get more. Are you kidding? You think I'm gonna eat more? Fine. Prove it then. No, you eat it. You eat it. No, you eat it. You eat as a kitchen. You eat as a kitchen. I don't care. I'm eating chips. I'm eating chips. You're a dog. You can talk. You cannot even eat chips. You're a dog. You can talk. You cannot even eat. No, I can't eat chips. I'm a human. No, I can't eat chips. No, I can. No, I can. Oh, my chips. You stole them. Now you have to pay for them. My chips. You stole them. I don't care. It's mine. These are mine. I don't care. It's mine. My potato snack. Sour cream and onion. My potato snack. It was my flavor. Sour cream and onion. That's it. You do not understand? That was my snack. It was my flavor. Sour cream and onion. That's it. You do not understand? That was my snack. You eat on the kitchen. You're so disappointed. You have to eat food from the kitchen, not just eating chips all day. You have to eat food from the kitchen, not just eating chips all day. Why? That's not fair. Why? That's not fair. I can do anything I want. I can eat chips. I can do anything I want. I can eat chips. You're being rude. What? You should be ashamed of yourself. You're being rude. Why? You should be ashamed of yourself. Why? Can I eat chips? That's not fair. Why? Can I eat chips? That's not. Why? My snack. My rules. You see that bag of chips? Why? My snack. My rules. You see that bag of chips? No, I don't care. It's mine. No, I don't care. It's mine. No, it's mine. It's mine. It's mine. I don't care. It's mine at all. I don't care. It's mine. Mine is mine. That's all. That's all I got. It's mine. Mine is mine. That's all. Why? You don't care eating chips because of your chest? Why? You don't care eating chips because... No. No. Now you're arguing at flushing the toilet. Now you're making me get your chips. That's not fair. That was my chips. Now you're arguing at flushing the toilet. Now you're making me get your chips. That's not fair. Oh. My chips, my rules. I can do anything I want. My rules. I can do anything. No, I can do anything I want. No, I can do anything I want. Yuck! You're screaming. You're screaming. You are screaming. You are screaming all day because it's already 1 a.m. You are screaming all day because it's already 1 a.m. I'm still eating chips, and why are you still eating? I'm still eating chips. You're not even allowed. You just eat. You're not even allowed. You just ate chili pepper, and you still let me eat chips. You just ate chili pepper, and you still let me eat. That's not fair. That's not fair. I don't care. These are mine. I don't care. Stop being rude. You should be amazed. Stop being rude. My chips. My rules. My chips. My rules. My chips. My chips. Why? Why? Are you rude just sitting in all day want some chips? That's no. Are you rude just sitting in all day want some chips? That's no. Too late. It's mine. It's mine. Oh, it's mine. You're eating my chips. Why are you eating my chips? Why are you? You're still eating my chips? You're eating my chips? I don't care. These are mine. I don't care. These are mine. No, it's mine. That's it. Where's my tag? No, it's mine. That's it. Where's the other dogs? Talking dogs. Where's the other dogs? My chips, my rules. My chips, my rules. I don't care. Tell your mom. I don't care. Tell your mom. My chips, just like I said, my chips, my rules. My chips, just like I said, my chips, my rules. Chase and Marshall, you're grounded for eating chips.
Chase and Marshall, you're grounded for eating.
Yeah, because they let me eat my chips.
Yeah,
because they let me eat my chips. Ben, stop calling my bud. Why are you being rude? My bud, why are you being rude? What should be ashamed because of you?
What should be ashamed?
Yeah. What should be ashamed because of you? My chips, my rules. Yeah, see, my chips, my rules. His chips, my rules. Crazy bug.
His chips,
my rules. Crazy bug. No, stop.
No, stop.
Chase and Marshall and Ben, stop.
Chase and Marshall and Ben.
Stop. Chase and Marshall. Shut up. No more talking. Okay? These are mine. I can do anything. I can eat it. Okay?
Shut up. No.
These are mine. I can do anything.
These are mine. I can eat it.
My chips. Why? My chips. That's my chips.
That's my chips.
That's mine. You can eat mine. No. That's mine. You can eat mine. You're mocking me.
You're mocking me.
You're mocking me. Just now. You did. You did. You did. You did. Influence. You two get out, asshole. You two get out, asshole. Why? You're making me leave, idiot.
Why?
Whatever. You can have the chips, okay? Jeez.
You can have the chips. You can have the chips, okay? Jeez. 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 You can have
That's how you not talk back to dogs.